Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I show you today this SKMEI watch from China. It's a good watch with you can dive with it. It is on the 50 meters under the water. You can go with it. A very fine watch in green. The green is it's Hulk. Green like the Hulk. You see, this watch has a back on the back for us, made of the steel, of the stainless steel, and there is a name on it. Is SKMEI on the back. There is a pushers. You can see these pushers here and here. And on the other side there's auch pushers, auch unterkürzt. The pushers. You will see it when you push this in. There comes the alarm. Another push is a stopwatch. And this is a dual time from, you can see another country on this watch. This is I think this is a countdown. You can start this countdown if you want it, and when not, you don't push it. I don't never know how I must push this one or what. I don't know, this is something as Scheißdreck. Diese Scheiße, aber geht schon. No, see. Guck, on this is the dime goes down, back. And this is the light, but this is very hot to see in this operation. Okay, I stopped this countdown, and I can go back to this, you see, time. This time I gave into this watch green foil. Green foil from Ock. You see this? Normally this is not a green display, but I put the foil in and now it is very green. Very nice watch. You can open the strap, yes. There's a steel buckle on the strap, and very nice, made of resin, the same resin on this side, resin. The case is resin too. We can look through. Is very shiny. See through this watch. Yes, you can see. You can see in this the movement through this transparent house of this watch from China. It costs me a little. It cost me a little for $6 or $7. Came 2 weeks to me, and you see this is nice, very nice, yes. And when you drückt, push this. Oh, daar kaputt. This is watch is gebrochen. Das is broken. I must throw it in the mist, Kiebel. what is happened is, I must put it together. It's not broken. It's only jumps out from these locks, not gross problem. Nix a grande problema. No, must repair it. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Now I must repair this watch, and we see you at the next time in this channel. Yes.